The reason the advanced manufacturing programs here at ACC are so important is because most of the companies that are in Austin area are growing, or we have a lot of new companies coming into the area and they need employees to help them grow their business. And so as a community college, we can reach out to the community and help develop that talent and allow them to enter a field that will actually provide a really good living wage for most people in the area. One of the unique things about having the non-credit and credit together is that skills are important for instruction. And Rosie, after taking the CPT, continued to explore her skills in soldering. And we've actually never hired a student as an instructor, but she'll have to tell you what we've done. We didn't just hire her. We went the next step to get her certified.
I was a cosmetologist for 10 years, and after the pandemic and having my son, I decided I wanted a career change. And Tesla was, of course, coming to Austin, so that piqued my interest in manufacturing. And as I looked into getting educated, I, of course, found ACC and all the different career paths that they have. So I took the CPT program, that's the 8-week program, and after that I continued on and got a few more classes in for the associates, and I'm working towards getting my associate's degree. I also teach the soldering techniques classes here at ACC, and I recently got a job at Apple on the iPhone hardware team.
Many students come in and they don't really know what they're doing yet. And when they get in here, they find this is cool, this is interesting, I want more, what's the next step? And to me, it's the defining moments are when I can see that we've touched someone's lives and made it better for them so that they can provide for their family and also be there to support them in that growth to the next level.